Here comes Mark. Train 71. He's just before this curve. Look, he has a stop signal. We'll just have to wait. Wonder why. I think somebody's coming on the old main. Yeah, it's an MV36. It looks like mostly 8000s. The engine closest to me. Unfortunately, Mark's gonna have to wait. This is not something he would do normally. I was just thinking it's not working. He's got 4 8000s bi levels.